I wanted to share with you these cute little fabric flowers that I made. I made these using fabric from Dollar Tree. I made them for the fall, but the colors, I looked at it again, and the colors really plain. They can go for spring, they can go for summer, but I got all of the fabric in the crafted section at Dollar Tree. They have a lot of options there, so you always want to check them out. And then this set of rings, you can get these at Dollar Tree too. And these are great to have because you can use these for a lot of different crafts. But I'm going to take the fabric, and I picked this one right here because it's like the most vibrant color, I thought. And you're just going to cut strips. You're going to cut them wide enough so that you can see them and it doesn't take forever to complete this. And then you're going to measure out how long you want it folded and tied, so you have to factor that in. So I did that and then just cut down the strips and made a bunch more. You get a good amount of strips too out of just one piece of fabric. I had some other scrap fabrics that I did have that I kind of mixed in there. You're going to put your rings together. You could put a little glue on these just to secure them, but really once you go ahead and you do this, they are perfectly fine. And then you're just going to take the fabric and you're just going to tie it. You're going to fold it in half, tie it, push it together so that it is nice and full. Keep going around. I alternated between the different colors. You can keep this all one color if you wanted to. You can alternate like I did. You can do this in so many different ways, and these are real cute to add to your DIYs. You can just add them to a little basket. You can do so many different things with this, and then when it's full, this is how it will look. And then you can see I pushed them all together so you don't see any part of the rings. Straighten them all out. You can turn the fabric around, and then you can trim them to make everything even, or you can just leave it a little wild if you do want. And then for the middle, you can do this in so many different ways. You can do something that is more raised up. You can do something that is flat like I'm going to do. But there's so many different ways to complete the middle. But you just want to put something in there just to give it that other flower look. But you can push it up, fill it in with something so that it kind of has like a plush look. It's just, like I said, so many different ways to do this. I've seen people use buttons too. So if you have like a really big button, you can do that too to fill that in. But like I said, there's so many different ways to do this. I'm just going to cut my circles for the middle, and I'm just using this piece of ribbon top, like the carton for the ribbon top, to complete mine. And then I have my centers. This is muslin fabric that I did use right there, but like I said, you can use other. I did have some scrap leather that I thought about using, just so many different options. And I'm going to layer these just so it doesn't have that mark that I made there. So I'm going to layer mine, but I'm just gluing it down to whatever I chose to be the back of it. You can also use nautical rope in this too if you wanted to. Like I said, so many different options. And then once you're done with that, I have these wooden dowels from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take and I'm going to glue those on. I did cut them down. You can leave them tall if you want, and these are the dowels, not the skewers that you get from the Dollar Tree, so these are thicker. And then I did put the other piece of fabric on so that you don't see where the dowel is attached to it. And if you're going to be showing the back, you want to make sure you cut that nice and even so that it doesn't look wonky. And then that is it. They are done. They're ready to go. And it's like super cute. And like I said, you can use these for so many different DIYs in your crafts. And then this is how they look out flat. And you can see I did different colors in different ones.